The PNI IP792 video surveillance camera is an advanced solution for the security of your home or business. Equipped with two 2-megapixel lenses each, this camera offers extended coverage and clear images both day and night. With a 3-watt solar panel and a built-in 6000 mAh battery, the camera works autonomously, ensuring continuous monitoring without the need for a constant power source. Designed to be discreet and easy to install, the PNI IP792 has a 3-watt solar panel and 6000 mAh battery that allow independent operation, being ideal for locations without access to electricity. IP65 certification guarantees protection against dust and water, making it perfect for outdoor use without additional protection. Ideal for monitoring homes, gardens, offices, shops or other outdoor spaces, the PNI IP792 is easy to mount on walls or other surfaces and offers an effective security solution for owners who want to protect their assets and have access to images over time real regardless of the location.